tiny friend with a gentle soul, a whisper of pause in the quiet night air, a heartbeat of comfort resting always there. He tiptoes softly when the moonlight shined and opened up the window blinds just to curl up close where love was warm, a buddy cat safe through every storm. Kids he mentored laughed with delight, calling him the epitome of cuteness on sight. For he'd somersault proudly on the floor, belly up, saying rub me just once more. It was simple joy, a holy kind, the kind of wonder children find. God paints his love in creatures small, and CJ showed it to us all. Buddy cat, oh faithful friend, you traveled far till the very end. From desert sands to mountain sky, you rode beside him, mile after mile. sunrise paint the land. He watched the moon lift desert sand. Every campground, every view. He lived a life both wide and new. A little cat with a traveler's heart, never afraid of the next new start. A furry friend on a sacred road, a small companion with a soul that glowed. Buddy cat, oh faithful friend, you traveled far, till the very end, from desert sands to mountain sky. You rode beside him, mile after mile. More travel than most people go, watching every campsite glow. Buddy cat, your journey's done.
So I found some catnip outside.
You still run.
Kitties have found a new appreciation for the city. Pigeons. You want that pigeon, don't you? You want that pigeon. Where's that pigeon? The kitty is not quite sure what to think of the cowie. The kitty. The cowie.
Tonight the camper feels still and bare. No quiet pause, no gentle stare, but memories linger soft and strong. A faithful friend who stayed so long. And though the road may feel unclear, your presence whispers I am near. In every sunset's golden hue, we'll remember you.
First up, just some basics. Diesel fuel's running a little bit low. And, it's a cat. Hey, you, kitty. Hey, hi.
Buddy cat, go rest in peace. Your earthly wandering now has ceased. But heaven's road is bright and wide, and God walks gently by your side. Though buried in the desert deep, we trust our Lord your soul to keep. Buddy cat, this isn't goodbye, just till we meet beyond the sky.
First thing we need to do is pet the kitty. Hey, buddy. Hey, you want buddy? Yeah, you're a kitty, huh? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you're a kitty. Yeah, you are. And then, of course, we're going to have to move the kitty because the bed kind of became a giant mess last night.